Namaste everyone. I'm Hetal Nayak. A warm welcome from San Antonio. Um, all of our best wishes on this auspicious day of Vijayadashmi, and on behalf of the Om Ashram team, I would like to share a short report on the construction and fundraising and the project details. So Om Ashram is in the heart of city of San Antonio. It is centrally located, very easy access from the airport within 30 minutes, from downtown less than 20 minutes. And from the medical center, USA and Hilotes, where a lot of our Indian population lives, it is less than 10 minutes. Om Ashram is a home for education, spirituality, and yoga. Om Ashram is also going to be home for first of the many more Om schools to come nationally. So we are really excited about this. Little bit about the history of Om School. Some of our projects that we have been running for the past few years in San Antonio. One of them is Hindi Pathshala. Hindi Pathshala started as a Seva project, but later on it was decided that all education related activities will be moved under Om School. So successfully, we have been running Hindi Pathshala for past 5 years. Currently, we have 13 teachers and administrators. All of them are volunteers. We bring value-based Hindi education. The curriculum is approved by Texas Education Agency. And we have currently more than 55 students that are enrolled. And all age groups, 8 classes, starting from 4 years old to our oldest participant is more than 70 years old. Om School, we were running it in summer, fall, and spring in person. We did few camps. And after successfully running those camps, we decided that we can now start a full-time weekdays pre-K program. So we had 18 students that were participating from November 2018 up until the COVID started. We were running it at one of the local churches. And then after the COVID, seamlessly, all of the programs were moved virtually. And then we had successfully conducted 2 summer camps, 6 weeks each, with more than 200 students participating in those camps. And after the summer camps were over, we are now currently offering a full-time, full-day pre-K program virtually since September 8th. And this has enrollment of already more than 100 students. Om Yoga Sadhana, this is one of our local San Antonio project. It started a year and a half back with teacher training course. We have 18 students that were enrolled and they spent over 6 months, 200 hours, and now they're all Yoga Alliance certified. We also have been running weekly classes in person since last January. And those were attended by more than 100 students locally in San Antonio of all age groups again. And then since COVID, we moved them virtually, and we last 6 months without any single break. Today, in fact, this Sunday is the first break that we are taking for these yoga classes. We have been very happy with the participation. We have more than 100 students that are joining. Of that, about 30 to 35 are kids, and the rest of them are adults. So we have 4 batches on every Sunday. Besides the yoga classes and the yoga teacher training courses, we also offer yoga therapy workshops. Some of our workshops that we have conducted in conjunction with the doctors and physiotherapists are yoga for pelvic floor, yoga for back pain, and food according to yoga. So we are really excited about the Om Yoga Sadhana program and hope to conduct many, many more for years to come. So you see some of the pictures here. These are the Om School kids at the local church that we were running. Then here is the group of Hindi Pathshala kids that are sitting for the assembly doing their prarthana. And this is a graduation ceremony for the 18 students of the Yoga Sadhana program. So just capturing some of those highlights. Now the Om Ashram is a project of Om Education Society of Texas, a nonprofit organization. The goal of which is to promote the knowledge of Vedic culture and ancient Indian science of yoga for all age groups, while we bring value-based education to the preschool and school-age children. The ashram highlights, the inspiration for the current model, which I will show you shortly, is taken from the Mahatma Gandhi Ashram, Sabarmati, Gujarat, Gandhiji's own home, just beautiful veranda and surrounded by the classrooms. The site is 3 acres big, and it has beautiful more than 300 mature trees. So it really feels like you are in the ashram setting. The classrooms that we are going to be designed are going to be state of the art, so that we can continue in-person and off-site training as well, because some of our students in yoga are from other cities also. Today is the groundbreaking ceremony on the Vijayadashmi. Our construction is scheduled to start sometimes in January, and then we are hoping that by summer of 2021, it should be all ready and we should be able to operate. Now, besides the activities of the full-time school that is going to run from Monday through Friday, we also will have after-school cultural classes, Indian language classes. Currently, Sanskrit and Hindi are being conducted. We are hoping to add more languages as well. Yoga classes will continue at the Om Ashram site. Educational workshops on Dharma, inviting guest speakers. The yoga teacher training courses. Our shakhas, currently we have 2 shakhas in San Antonio. Both of those will be running hopefully at the new ashram space. Meditation sessions, Varga, that is the day camps, and we will be adding activities for seniors as well. And in a very near future, we are going to have a community garden to grow some vegetables there, Gaushala, and during the days when the facility is not being used, we also will be renting out these to the families that would like to conduct some dharmic activities there. Of course, our inspiration is always from Swami Vivekananda. We want an education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. So this is the ashram plan, the model that is shown on the top here. As you see, there's a veranda space in the front. This is about 1,500 square feet. This is where we'll be conducting our assembly when the kids come. There's going to be a Saraswati Pratima here. Then we have 4 classrooms, 2 on the sides and then 2 in the center. These center classrooms are each more than 700 square feet big. When we open this partition, this whole space becomes one big space, which is about 1,500 square feet, so that we can conduct our weekend activities there as well, and bigger conferences when we have to. And we'll also have this space, mostly sliding doors, so that we can have this indoor-outdoor experience. Then there's going to be a small kitchen here where food can be prepped and served during the events. And then there is an office space here. These are our 2 storerooms. I'll shortly share the ashram web site plan, so you will get a bigger picture of how this building is going to be located. Now this veranda is also going to serve as our stage. So for our bigger events where we have more than 150, 200 people, we will set up some sitting arrangements here on the ground, and then this whole big veranda of 1,500 square feet can serve as our stage. Now let me take you to the Om Ashram website. So a little bit about our fundraising. The goal for the whole project is about $1 million. We started our fundraising efforts about 3 months back, and we already have secured more than 400,000, which is very exciting for us. We have got a tremendous response from the San Antonio community. We had not expected that we will get so much of enthusiasm and support from all of you. And then in terms of pledges, we already have more than 100,000. So we have crossed 500,000. So we are well on our way to our goal, crossing more than halfway through. Now, no donation is small. We really encourage, this is the time we would like to make an appeal. For every $251 of yours, it will support 1 square foot of ashram space. So I really urge all of you today to partake this opportunity, be a part of this first Om school that is coming nationally. So really seeking your love donations and blessing. That is our fundraising highlight. I will now share the site plan. So as I said, this is a 3-acre space. It's a corner lot. It's at the junction of 2 streets. It's a very quiet neighborhood. This is going to be our driveway. And then we have the phase 1 as Keshav Kutir, the building that I just showed you. And our future expansion into the larger kitchen, commercial kitchen and community classrooms is going to be Madhav Kutir. Behind the Keshav Kutir is going to be the community garden. And then on your left-hand side in the corner is the Gaushala. And this is a little playground. The building is going to be eco-friendly and we will be using all the recyclable material. In fact, all of our playground and fencing is going to be done by using the pellets that are discarded by a lot of these big stores. In the back, you see is the meditation area. This is almost a 3/4 of an acre covered with bamboo, dense bamboo. And we are going to carve out spaces there so that we can have nice walking paths and meditation spaces as well to create that ashram ambience. I wanted to also show you a little bit on the floor plan. If you see, there are 4 showers here. So we will be holding a lot of overnight camps as well on the weekends, as well as in the summer and spring and fall for the kids, and maybe yoga retreats also in the near future, so that we can all experience the ashram space. Now the bamboo image I would like to share. So this is the bamboo. It doesn't feel like we are in the heart of San Antonio. It really feels tropical. These bamboos are really, really very beautiful. When you walk in there, you just feel very nice and quiet, meditative environment. So that is in short about our Om Ashram. And then now I'll just go through the donation opportunities that are there. The land is that we have already secured is valued for 250,000. The veranda sponsorship is for 150,000. Meditation area for 100,000. Each of these classrooms are 50,000. Kitchen for 50,000. Office space for 35,000. Playground multiple donations of 15,000. And community garden multiple donations of 10,000. And then, like I said, there are 300 trees and multiple sponsorship opportunities for 5,000. And the way we would recognize our donors is we would have a donation wall where all of our donors, about 2,500, will be permanently placed there. Also, we would be displaying the family names at the designated ashram sites, like I just went over. And all of our larger and the valuable donors, about 25,000, will be able to use the ashram facility on the weekend or weekdays, depending on the level of sponsorship, at least once a year for the next 5 years. So that is also a lot of value addition. So that is all I have in terms of the report. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you all support, and hopefully if you're out of town, someday you will come and visit our Om Ashram. Namaste and Dhanyavad.